Okay, I think everybody hearing me. Yeah, today I will start a little bit to talk about maps.me. So I wanna show you some properties and the functionality of this application, Android application. Yeah, the last session, Mr. Henley tried to elaborate it, but today I will try to go in deep. So I wish that everybody will be okay. Do you hear me? Hello? Do you hear me? Okay. So let us starting with this session today. So are we going to talk a little bit about the maps.me, what this app do and what you can use. Yeah, the application name is maps.me, and this is an Android application. I I don't know for those who using iPhone, but I'm believing that maybe there is a vision of iPhone, but I think there is only Android vision. So for those who using Android phone, you can get this app through Play Store, so you can download it. Yeah, so I will share my screen. Yeah, I think everybody see my screen. Hello, do you see? Yeah, so you can download this app through Google Play Store, and after installing into a smartphone, this is how it look like. The name is maps.me, and we can use this app to navigate a location if you need to reach some point which you have never been before, some somewhere new. But also by using this app, it can help you to add more areas, more features to update the OpenStreetMap. So the interface of this app, it is like you see here, and we'll try to you can use the same OpenStreetMap account to log in and sign up in this app before starting. But for those who don't have this app, first when you download this app, you have to download also the Tanzania map. To download the Tanzania map, which it is about 300 MB, I think so. So you have to download it, and then when you download, it can give all world map of Tanzania. So it depends of where where you need to download. So for example, you need to you are in Tanzania, you have to download the map of Tanzania. Yeah. So at the right corner here, down, you can see the location icon. This location icon, when you click it, it can position where you are. So for example, when you click here, it can position me the place where I found. So this is the function of location bar, location icon. But also, before you can use this app, you can add some features if you need to add some features. So before you add some features, you need to sign in by using your OpenStreetMap account. I'm believing that everyone here have our same account. So if you need to sign in by using our same account, you have to come here, down here, and you click these three bars, and then you have to go to setting. Here at the top, you can see OpenStreetMap profile. So you have to click it, and then if you don't have the account, it will encourage you to register at OpenStreetMap. If you have an account, OpenStreetMap. So you will click this blue button. So you will put your email or your username, and then you will put your password, and then you will log in. As I told you before, that you can use this application to navigate the place which you need to reach, or if you need to add new features to OpenStreetMap, also you can use this application. So today I will discuss a little bit on how you can add some features and how you can track a position which you need to go by using this application. So let's say I need to go somewhere from the position which I am. We have this symbol below, or you can use this search symbol if you need to go somewhere you are familiar. So you can search an area. Let's say you need to search some hotels or groceries. You can choose one of these features, or if you have an area you need to go and you know the name, you just have to search. So let's say you can search an area here, which I need to go. So it will load the area, available area. Yeah, as you see, you have different options to choose where you need to go. So let's say I need to go Sabasaba land use commercial, which is about 6.4 kilometers from where I am. So when I click it, there is an option which appear at the bottom, route from or route to. I need to go there, so I have to choose route to the position which I need to go. So after you click this, it will try to find the ways from the position you are to the position you go. So I can use this option to zoom in and zoom out to see. So I'm here to this icon, but I need to go here. It will give you the option which way you need to use. You go there by means of cars, or by means of foot, or by means of bicycle. So for example, if I select a car, it will give me all roads which car can be moving through. So if I choose foot, it will give me the all road which I can pass by using my foot. So let's say I needed to use cars, so I will select it, define load to avoid. So I will select and I will start my route. So as you see, it gives me the load to align the position which I need to go, as you see. But also down here, it gives me the kilometer from the position I am to the position I'm going. It gives me the kilometer. It's about 7.5 kilometer. But also it gives me the time. How long will I take to arrive there? But also it gives me speed. If I'm using car, it will count the speed of the car here down. So this is one of the functionality of this application. It can direct you to the position you need to go. But also I will elaborate on how you can add some features by using this app. So by using this app, it can give you, you can know the speed of the car, or any, the speed of the car, but also it can give you the kilometer or distance from the position you are from to the position you go. Yeah, so let's say I needed to add some features. If you needed to add some features in this app, yeah, you can use, this option below. This is sleep bar. There is an option to add the place to the map. So maybe you need to add maybe a building or other feature, maybe a shop. You have to click add place to the map. Then it will give you the position which you needed to add. So let's say my position, let's say click this position. Maybe this is a shop. So if you need to add this shop, you have to click sleep bar and add a place to the map. So after clicking this, you can click done. Then we are going to add some tag of that feature. Let's say we say that that was a shop. So I will search shop. Yeah, so you can select which kind of shop you needed to add, bookstore, but also bicycle, it depends on the tag you need to give your features. Maybe this is a hospital, also you can get the tag, yeah, hospital. You can select this hospital and then you put the name of that hospital and then you click, you press this tick here above. Yeah, this is a simple, is a little bit introduction of maps.me. But also, lastly, discussion, we discussed about the QGIS. Yeah, so before I proceed, is there any question you can ask before I proceed with QGIS? Anyone, if you have a question, you can ask through chatting, or you can unmute yourself and asking. Okay, no question. So we can continue with QGIS. As Henry told you a little bit about QGIS, that the application is a software which you can use to produce a final map, but also this application, this software can be used in terms of GIS. You can also do some analysis, raster analysis, geospatial analysis. So it depends in which users you need to use it. Okay. Paul Salaki, do you have any question? We don't hear you. Okay. Believing that everyone see my screen. Yeah, this is the first interface when you open the QGIS. When you open the QGIS software. This software you can use to produce a final map. but also it have more functionality. You can use this software to do some geospatial analysis, but also you can use this to perform a lot of things. So today I will show you on how you can produce the final map. But the last session, I think Haley was talking about on how you can connect this software with OpenStreetMap. So today we will continue on how we can produce the final map by using the data from OpenStreetMap. So we need to have the data in order to produce our map. We have to connect to the OpenStreetMap as he told. We have to go to the plugin and to download some plugin in order to access the data from OpenStreetMap. And this plugin, we called it Quick OSM. So after installing the plugin, you have to click on that plugin and you have to put the key, maybe which feature you need to make the map, which feature you need in your map. So it depends on you which feature. Maybe let's say I need an hospital, the hospital which found in my position. Let's say we can search here amenity, maybe let's say amenity, but value I can select even hospital or bank or ATM. So let's say search bank, put here bank, and then we can select, we can put the position which we need data about the bank. So let's say Dodoma, and then you learn the query. After learning, so it will search all bank found at Dodoma. As you see, our query is success. So when you come up into your map interface, you can see map, you can see dot, which means that this is our bank details found in our area. So you can use this data to create the map of Dodoma. But also, let's say I can use these tools to get highways found at Dodoma. Okay, let's say we are going to find another features which is a highway or road. So you have to put here in the key, we need to have highway, yeah, highways. And which kind of load we need? You can put maybe primal load. So we are going to download all primal load found at Dodoma. After that, you learn SQL as usual. Yeah, so it gives the notification that there are no data for primal load found in Dodoma. So you have to search another kind of load. Let's say we're going to secondary load. Yeah, so we have secondary load as you see. Let's say let add other loads like tertiary or residential. So this is a function of quick OSM plugin. It enable you to add some data from OpenStreetMap to QGIS. So you can use this, or if you have your data, you can use to add your own data rather than using this OSM data. So yeah, so as you see, this is all residential load found at Dodoma. Yeah. So this is one of the option to add data in QGIS. But if you have your own data, maybe you have your shapefile, your data you need to add to QGIS. Also, there is the option which will control you, which will make enable you to add the data into QGIS. So what you need to do is, let's save this data. So if you need to save your project, you have to select the project, then save as. You select the position which you need to put your data. Let's say to the desktop. Let's create our own folder. Okay. Let's give the name of our project and then save. So our data is already saved into our desktop, to our desk. So if you need to add other data rather than OpenStreetMap, you can use some option to add those data. Okay, so we need to add data. Let's say I needed to add some shapefile to QGIS. So it depends of the data, which kind of data you need to add to QGIS. So you have to click this open data source, or by using shortcut you can click it Control plus arrow. After clicking, it will give the option which kind of data you needed to add to QGIS. There is a vector, raster, mesh, delimited text, and so on. So today I will show you how to add vector data, but also I will show you how to add the raster data. I know everyone here know about the vector or raster data. So if you have a question, I will allow you to ask it, but later let me continue. So if I need to add the vector, this is the data like load, maybe shapefile. We're talking about the shapefile. And when we talk about the vector, we can talk about the point, load, linear data, and polygon. So let's say I needed to add some vector data, which is a shapefile I have. So I have to select vector and then going to browse. I will going to browse my where I saved my data. So I find where I saved my data. Okay, let's say, yeah. So you have to select the shapefile and then open. When you open, you click add and okay, then you close. So this is another option which can help you to add data in QGIS, or you can use if you have the data in your laptop and you need to add it into your QGIS, you can use this option. But if you don't have the data and you need to get the data from OpenStreetMap, you can use this quick OSM to access some data of OpenStreetMap. Yeah. So this is the one kind of data which you can add shapefile, but also you can add a raster data into your QGIS. Or so the same as we do in adding shapefile data, you can use this option, and then instead of clicking on vector, you can click on raster. So you have to browse, then you find where you saved your raster data. Okay, where I saved my raster data. Okay, and then let's say let's choose okay open, then you add, okay, and you go. So this is the raster data, the satellite imagery. So the one of the satellite imagery, I don't know it's found for Dodoma, but it's the one of the satellite imagery. So you can add raster data also by using this option, but also you can add shapefile data by using this method. So we have a lot of function, but today we will discuss only on how to add data and how to produce the final map by using QGIS. Okay, so before proceeding, I need to produce a map of a given area, a specific area found in Dodoma. So let's say I needed to filter all area found in Dodoma in order to create the map. So by using this data, we have the shapefile of all villages in Tanzania. So I can use this data to get only, I needed to filter in order to get to remain with only Dodoma village. So what we are going to do, you have to select on that layer, then right click, then you go to filter. So I need to filter only Dodoma region. So I have to select region name and then you paste an equal sign and click all. So you search Dodoma. After, then you click. So this is a way you can use to filter or to remain with the one area you need to find. So by using this feature, by using this functionality, you can filter different area you need to work with. So for me today, I will work with Dodoma. So I will filter only Dodoma. Yeah. So this is a Dodoma region, and this is a boundary of Dodoma region, shapefile of Dodoma region, and it have different villages or mtaa in it. Yeah. So I have the boundary. Now I have the boundary of region. But also you can use different shapefile source. You can get this shapefile. Okay. Yeah, let's say I needed to get region. I need to get on region shapefile. So we'll use the same technique. You go to browse and then okay. So let's say I needed to add the district region shapefile, region shapefile. Okay, this will be nice. So I needed to filter only Dodoma. So I can use selection tool, so I can use filter to get the area. So when you click the filter, you have to click region name and then equal sign, press all Dodoma in order to remain with only Dodoma. Yeah, so this is the region which we will work with. So this is some functionality which QGIS can perform, but also we can use this functionality to produce a final map. So believing Haley is online, he will continue with how you can you can produce a final map by using QGIS. Hello, Haley. But before proceeding, if you have any question, you can ask. If you have a question, you can ask. Feel free to unmute yourself to ask. Okay, otherwise, if there is no question, we welcome Haley to continue with our next session on how to produce a final map. Thank you. Haley, okay, I think Haley is not, the network is not available, but I'll just continue with our session. So let's say we need to produce a map of Dodoma by using various data we have. So this is the Dodoma region, and you can put, let's say we needed to add our data here in Dodoma. So we can use quick OSM to add the various data like loads and the other features. So you can search here. Maybe we worked on bank, so I will find all bank found at Dodoma. So you have to search, and then you run query. Yeah. So as you see, we have the bank, but also we searched for highways and the highways, found. We worked on a residential, or name area is required, or forget to put area name. So we press and then run query. So it takes a little bit because of the data you need. If it is huge, it will take a long time to load the data. Yeah, it is done. So as you see, we have residential road, but also we have point, which is a bank. So if we need to if you need to you can use this to customize your map appearance. So you can select the region and then property. Here you can use Symbology in order to customize the appearance of your map. So let's say into the color here, you have to select fill, simple fill. To the fill color, put it transparent, but in the stroke color, put black, but you can increase the size of the boundary to 1, then apply. So as you see, the map, this is the boundary, and the middle of our Dodoma boundary is a transparent, but also you can label these features, which is a bank. Okay, and remove this. Let us remain with. Okay, let's remain with bank community. Also, we can add a label to the feature by using the same option. You have to select, click on the point on the layer, then go to properties. Here as the label, you have to select label and then single labels. So which value you need to use in order as a name of that feature. So we select a name, then you can put some customization here to make the appearance of your label. After then, you can press apply. Yeah, so as you see, we have the name of our bank found at Dodoma. Then we are going to produce the final map by using this QGIS. Yeah, this is a little data we put, but you can add more data if you have. But today, let using this data we have. Okay, maybe let's add another features, highway, and trunk. Let's say trunk Dodoma. If we have, okay, okay, okay. Also, we have the trunk road here. So each feature, it has customization. You can customize each feature accordingly. So even load, you can customize in order to appear different. So here we have the trunk code. Also we can customize by using the same option. You can click and right click on that layer, then go to property, then symbology. So here you can categorize the feature. or you can use single symbol for the load. So you can search here which type of symbol you need to put on your road. Let's say you can put this or this top road. Then yeah, so as you see, the appearance of the load changed, but also you can label this load by the same option. Go to the property, after then go to label, then single label, then you have to select the name, apply. So if the load have a name, it will appear. As you see, here we have singular load, here we have Ilinga load, and so on. So we are going to produce the final map. So what we need to do, you have to place on new print layout, then put the name of your map. Let's say Dodoma map, then press OK. So here the page layout for your map will appear, so you can select which page size you need to print. Or so in layout you can choose. I have to right click page property, then you can select the size of your page, if A4, A3 or A2. So let's say use A3. So this is A3. You can give the frame for our map. So this is a frame. Adding. So you click add, then you draw a frame, and then we are going to put our map here. So we will use this add map. So our map appear. You can give the position of map by using these tools here, move item content. So when you click, you can move the map, which position you decide it to appear. So let's say here, also you can zoom in and zoom out in order to give the good size of your map. And then after that, we can add all features which required into the map, like legendary or key, but also we can add scale bar. So you have to select and then you draw in your map. Then we have to add the legendary. So here it is a legendary, which show all features found in your map, which try to define the features found in your map. Okay. Also, you can put the title of your map. Let's say you have to click to add the label. and then you draw, then you put the name of your map. Like maybe it is Dodoma, Dodoma region map. You can go to the font, have to bold maybe, you have to underline, and then you give it a high font. Yeah, so this. Okay, then you can add direction. So all features you can get into the program. So when you make sure that your map is complete, you can go to, you have to go to print. So you can print it as an image or PDF. So let's say click to the PDF, and then you select the position you need to save your map, like desktop, and then save. After that, save. Yeah, so your map is going to be saved at a desktop, but also you can print it as image. Yeah, this is all processing of how to create of how you can use QGIS to produce a final map. Yeah, so I wish that next time we will continue on other functionality on how you can use QGIS to perform other activity or other function. Yeah, so today let's end here. If you have any question, if you have any question, you can ask before we end our training of today. Anyone? Okay, if you don't have question, we have to wait for another session. For today, we can end today. I have to end our session here. Thank you for who participated in this training. Thank you.